Hello tech people, it's Robin from WorldTechis.com. In this video, I will show you how you can use Google Font in your website. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Before starting my video, I will request you, if you like my content, then please subscribe my channel. And I teach people about programming and website development. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so that you don't miss any of my future videos. uh, okay, start the video. Here I have created a sample page. Through that I will teach you how you can implement Google Fonts on your own web page. In this sample page, there is a title and some dummy text. I will use two Google font, one for this title and another for these paragraphs. So from 2010 Google started this service. They provide free fonts for websites so that developers can use them to create beautiful websites. To use them, you first open your browser and search for Google Fonts. You will find official website link. Click on the first link. This is the official website, fonts.google.com. I'll put the link at the description below. You'll find it there. You don't have to worry about. There are total 915 fonts available in this website. Uh, these all fonts are under 5 categories: one serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, and monospace. It's very difficult to find out fonts from this huge list, so you can use this category to find out uh, your your fonts. If you know the category you want to use, then just uncheck other category. Then I have checked the sans serif category, so the fonts displaying are from this serif category. If you want to use sensitive category fonts, then check this one and uncheck this one. Then and all the fonts are showing here is from sensitive. So if you and you can also sort by this trading popular alphabetical different ways. You can find out by using these options. And I want to find, and if you know the name of your font, then you can search it here. If you give the name, then it will display here. Suppose I am searching for uh, this font, Allegria. I have searched for ALG, then this come and this font comes up. So I like this font and I use this one for my title. Here you also have some extra option. Here you can see the text, the font, how it looks, and you can change the format. Here it's showing one sentence, and you can also change the format like paragraph. Then it will show one full paragraph here. And you can see how the font looks as a paragraph. And you can also change the uh, bold. You can make it bold by selecting it. Then it will show the text in bold. And to add this uh, font, just you have to click on this plus icon. uh, I when I click, then you can see here one family selected. Just click this here and it will show the links. And you can add your font in your website by two ways: by using this link tag, and another one is importing. If you use this link tag, then you have to add this code into your HTML file. And if you use import, then you have to add this code in your CSS file. You can use any of them. Both works completely same ways. as I said, I'll use two font in my page, one for my title and the for my paragraph. You can add font separately one by one, and you can also add for 2 3 fonts together. I'll add my two font together. So to do so, you just click on this black bar, it will come down and you can select um, uh, another font from here. For my paragraph, I want to use sans serif font, so I'll check this one and I'll uncheck the serif. Then I will use this open sans font. I like this one very much. So to add this font, just again same process, just click this plus icon. uh, this will add your font here. You can see two families selected. Just so click this black bar again, it will come up, and here you can see two fonts are selected. One is open sans and another one is Allegria. Here you will see the code to add our two font code. You will find one one code. This single line of code will add your two fonts. One is Allegria and then is open sans. Here you see you can see the names. Process is completely same. You can add your fonts by uh, this using this link tag, uh, and another one is by importing. I'll use this process. I will copy this code, right click and copy, and I'll add this code in my CSS file. This is my project file. One is a HTML index.html, and another one is style.css. Here in this CSS file, I will add that code at the very top. Just paste that code. That's it. This is very simple. That's how you can add Google fonts in your website. Now, to use this font for your title and paragraph, just you have to use this CSS property. Here is here it is given a font family Allegria and font family Open Sans. I'll show you right now. Just again, I'll go to my code editor. This is basic HTML code. I guess as you are watching this video, yeah, I hope you already know basic HTML. I have created a div with class container, and within this container div I have added my title, uh, h1 and 4 paragraphs uh, inside this container class. And to add Google font to this title and paragraph, I'll go to my CSS file. Here, this is CSS uh, property for title, and this is CSS property for paragraph. Here I will add fonts for title and paragraph. I will use Allegria font for my title, and I will use Open Sans for my paragraph. Here you'll find the code. This is the one we have to use. Font family Allegria serif. I'll copy this code, and I'll paste here the h1 tag. And as I save the file. Now if I go to my type page and refresh this page, you can see font has changed. Now my title is using Allegria font. Now I will change the font for my paragraph. The process is completely same. I will use Open Sans for my paragraph, so I'll copy this line of code, and I will add this in my CSS file. This is my paragraph. This is the CSS property for my paragraph container P. I will add the font family Open Sans in my paragraph property, font family sans Open Sans. And now I'll save the file and go to my page and refresh. When I refresh this page, you will see the paragraph font of my paragraph will change. As I expected, font has changed to Open Sans. Now it looks very beautiful, and I hope you got some idea how you can use Google fonts for your website. You can use any font you want. Process is same. You have to come to this official website and you can select any font you like. Just check them, and then it will show each and every font here, so you can choose any one you like. Just click this plus icon and uh, add this code in your file. Now in this way you can add fonts to your website. So I hope you have learned something from this video. If this video was helpful for you, then please like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Finally, thank you so much for watching my video, and please share my video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.